What's up, guys? Happy September. It's September 1st, 2014. And you know what it's time for, right? It's time for the big thing we do every month. Every first day of the month. That's right, start up and shut down of the units. So, the York was just running, so we'll do the Guardian first. What do you say? And I was not greeted very pleasantly this morning. Oh, it looks like it was just running, too. But anyway, I was not greeted very pleasantly this morning. Came in the little bathroom to use the bathroom, and Mom was in there, and so I was greeted with a big, "Oh my God, you scared me!" So that's why I decided to do this first thing in the morning. It kind of pissed me off because I was like, I just need to use the bathroom. Anyways, let's see which one's more sweaty. I think we'll do the Guardian, because I have not actually heard it run. Son of a biscuit, of course. We can't have a silent startup and shut down without that thing run. But yeah. What do you say? Let's start the Guardian up. I'm using the BlackBerry, but good news, I'm getting a new camera. And it has 18.2 megapixels. So yeah, I'll be back. I don't like the thermostat. There it goes. Alright. Might be due for a clean out again. I don't know. I just cleaned it back at the beginning of August. Might be due for another clean out. I don't know. God, that thermostat is always a pain in the butt to turn down and stuff. I don't know, but it's a model GCG D48 S21 S1A, so that is a 4-ton, and it is a serial WOL 734 46505. You guys might be thinking, oh, this is from 05. Well, actually, it's from 07. There's a little tag on the blades that say it's from 07, and it's a straight cool unit. So yeah, it's installed by Mark Per Installation Products, made in Wichita, Kansas, and that's nice and cold and sweaty. But yeah, you guys want to see my new camera? camera that I'm getting. I don't know, it's windy out here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it very good. But I am getting the Sony CyberShot DSC TX30. 18.2 megapixels, and I'm running on a low battery, so let's go and shut this down real quick. I hope you guys can't see my face right here. I'll be right back. Yeah, it shut off easily. Thank goodness. That thing shut off easy. Oh man, alright. See, it is from 2007. I don't know if you can see it or not. Alright, time for the York. Okay. Yes. Oh man, I wish I had the tripod. Well, I do have it, but my BlackBerry, there's a start up and shut down. My BlackBerry doesn't go on it, so I can't use it. Alright. I can hear the refrigerant hissing in the neighbor's unit. Alright. I'll be back. Come on, please. There, good. All right. It makes a really loud noise when it shuts off. Like, it's gotten louder over the past month too. I can hear it all the way up in my room. There's the disconnect boxes, and I actually broke the cover for the Guardian. I have a video. I still need to upload it. I've edited it, but I still need to upload it. It's on new bush. We installed back in May, I think. Alright. We'll shut it down now. Let's see. I don't want my neighbors to see it from there. I guess that'll be fine. Alright, I'll be back. Okay. Please cooperate. On program. Son of a biscuit. Getting harder. Turn off. Yep, today is Labor Day, it's Monday. Biscuit, turn off. I don't know why these thermostats hate to cooperate whenever someone. Come on, I hope the brat next door doesn't come out and steal my BlackBerry. I'm about to just switch it to off. But I think I'll do that real quick. There we go. Alright. It will not turn off other than me having to switch it to off. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. York is a 2.5 ton from 2001. This is a 5 ton from 2001. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Out. And once again, happy September.